For those of you that are new to this channel, I am a Kilian fanboy. But for the longest time, I have been after those dark wintertime fragrances. I have got a summer banger for you.
I finally found what I'm missing, and now you got all my attention. Driving me wild, got me wishing that you were all mine. You're irresistible, so refreshing. You're irresistible, tell the essence. I can feel your energy all over me. Close my eyes and I breathe in. You're irresistible.
Welcome back to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. I am your host Cam, and today we're going to go over Moonlight in Heaven from Kilian. I had heard a lot about this fragrance. As a matter of fact, I was told it was one of the top 10 selling Kilians of all time, that this one is in no danger of going anywhere. But this one is actually marketed, I think, in my personal opinion, for a summer getaway. This fragrance actually comes with a travel box that is nice and sturdy. Flips open if I can get it open. But it sits nice and cozy in here and can take a beating. You wouldn't want to do that with your fragrances, but they knew what they were doing with this one. Moonlight in Heaven to me is a summer getaway that reminds me of a trip that I took to Kissimmee, Florida. That trip to Kissimmee was amazing. It was romantic. I was there with a girlfriend, and if I was to go back, I would definitely wear Moonlight in Heaven. This to me actually reminds me of like an evening beach walk. We actually took a trip down to Cocoa Beach where I Dream of Jeannie and the NASA launching station is at, but it's a really beautiful beach. I can picture this with a full moon with the stars just dancing over the top of the ocean, or you could take it to another place and be on the prowl. This could be your club scent, because there is something very, very sensual and alluring about this fragrance. There isn't a house that oozes sex appeal more than Kilian. Let me tell you the notes in this aquatic, sexy fragrance. Moonlight in Heaven was released in 2016. The notes are lemon, grapefruit, pink pepper, coconut milk, white rice, creamy mango, jasmine, tonka bean, and vetiver. I had to add this one to my collection because I was hurting for Kilian Freshies. I had heard about this fragrance numerous times. I had no idea that it was a perfect summertime fragrance. I would say that this one would be an evening summertime fragrance. Yes, you definitely could get away with it in the daytime, but when you're wanting to, wow, good gracious. Yeah, this one, yeah, you could wear it by the pool, you could wear it for casual wear or whatever, but this juice I would not waste on anything unless I knew that I was going to be attracting some company. Like I said, this is vacation in a bottle. They even market it that way. They give it to you with a nice hard case that you can store away, stow away, however you want to say it. Beautiful, beautiful fragrance. It is a unisex for him or her. I can get away with wearing this one very easily. It doesn't come off very feminine to me, but I haven't smelled this one on the opposite sex, so I don't know how I would feel about it after smelling it on a woman, but it is very, very sexy, and it's a beautiful fragrance for summer and vacation especially. I know I mentioned how this fragrance reminded me of a trip to Kissimmee, Florida, but where I live, I only live 2 hours away from the beach. Now, yes, there is a lot of stress in our lives, and I know some of you are probably an airplane's flight away from being at the beach, A luxury of where I live, I'm not too far away from the mountains, which is full of serenity, and I'm not too far from the beach, which is also full of serenity. This fragrance not only is very sexy, it is full of serenity. The notes in this are very relaxing, and that is why, it can be sexy and relaxing at the same time, but let those stresses go, let those inhibitions down. This is a type fragrance that you're gonna be wearing when you just don't give a. If you guys are new to this channel and you like what you saw today, how about hitting that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, that way you don't miss any future uploads. We appreciate your support. Make sure you smash that like button, and we'll see you next time on Carolina Fragrance Reviews.